Hi, my name is Ashika.
Hi, my name is Samantha.
And I'm Hannah. So the hypothesis for the experiment that we are going to conduct is if an object is less dense than the water surround it, it will float. This is because the salt water is denser than the fresh water. Some things float easily in ocean because that dissolved salts add to the mass of water and make the water more denser. So the objective of this experiment is to understand more about density, and second is to investigate the relationship between concentration of salt water and the floating of egg, and third is to investigate the relationship between concentration and density. So for the materials, we need table salt, tablespoon, 3 cups filled with tap water, and 3 raw eggs.
Okay, first to start the experiment, take a cup or container, 3 cups or container, and fill it with water until it's half full, and make sure that all the water levels are the same. And then what you'll need to do next is to label it A, B, and C. So, take a spoon and take your salt and put 3 tablespoons of salt into B and 6 tablespoons of salt into C. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then gently stir the waters until all the salts are dissolved. After doing so, take your 3 eggs and put it in each of the containers. So this is for A, this is for B, and this is for C. Wait until the eggs stop moving, and then you can observe the changes, the difference in them.
So from the observation, you can see that the eggs sinks to the bottom in the cup A, which is no salt. And in cup B, which is added with 3 tablespoons of salt, the egg sinks halfway in the cup. And in cup C, which is added with 6 tablespoons of salt, the egg floats. This all happens because when salt is added into water, the density of liquid increases. Salt has been added into cup B and C with 3 and 6 tablespoons respectively, and with salt is not present in cup A. This means that the density in all 3 of the cups are different, in which cup C is more denser than cup B, while cup A is the least dense. When a liquid is denser than the egg will float. Therefore, the egg in both cup B and C will float because they are immersed in a denser solution. Meanwhile, the egg is denser than the water in cup A, making it sink. So the conclusion is, salt can increase the density of water. The more the concentration of solid, the denser the liquid. In this case, as the concentration of salt increases, the density of the water in cup increases too. When the solution is denser than the egg tends to float.
That's all from us for the experiment eggs floating in salt water.
Based on the theory of density.
Thanks for watching.